Take a look around you. The world is full of scientific marvels. From the atomic building block of life to the deepest depth of outer space, there are a lot of things to awe over. Add your body to the list. Yes, the human body is truly an incredible specimen. Don't believe it? Take a look at these 10 facts. You will be surprised at what you learn. Infants are born with approximately 300 bones. But as they grow, some of these bones fuse together. By the time reach adulthood, they only have 206 bones. More than half of your bones are located in the hands, wrists, feet, and ankles. Every second in your body produces 25 million new cells. It means in 15 seconds you will have produced more cells than there are people in the United States. The largest bone in human body is in the femur, also known as the thigh bone. The smallest bone is the straps bone, which is located inside your earbone. There is anywhere between 60,000 to 100,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body. If they were taken out and laid end to end, they would be long enough to travel around the world more than 3 times. Teeth are considered part of skeletal systems but are not counted as bones. Despite accounting of 2% of our body mass and brain use 20% of our oxygen and body supply, while humans are not the biggest, fastest or strongest animal around, we are the best at something: long distance running. Our long legs, upright posture and ability to shed it via sword are factors that makes us good runners. In fact, early humans used to hunt their prey by chasing it for long periods of time until the animals literally died from exhaustion, a technique known as persistence hunting. About 60% of your body is made up of water. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. A block of bone the size of a matchbox can support up to 80,000 pounds of weight. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, take care and stay with us.